Walking backwards up the hill, sharing songs in the sun house. Made some songs that won't last. Time is a tool in the right hand, and no waste when they come back. And I say it took a lifetime, and I see you shed it online, and I spend all my time inside, and I live with you by my side, and I say it took a lifetime to see you shed it online, and I spend all my time inside, and I
It's Trap Bunny! I wanna live in a mansion house.
If you don't have a closet, this is an easy to install, beautiful option. Families come to me with their most challenging organizing situations, especially in a child's space, and I love to help them solve it. You're gonna see a lot of closet installs here on my account, but I wanted to share this one in particular because it's in a room where their daughter does not have a closet. I easily installed an Elfa system from the Container Store to create instant space where she can now hang her clothes, store shoes, and even add decor to the shelves. What I love about Elfa, whether in a closet or on a wall like this, is you can easily edit the system as your child grows. It has added features like solid wood shelves, track covers, sliding shoe shelves, wood fascia, hooks for hanging belts or bags, and more to give you a custom look. It's also a great price point for families on a budget. This is an easy to install system that delivers instant space, no matter how much room you have to work with.
Now, you do the first layers kind of like your base layer. And we are going to make a really pretty design. It's so simple, but yet people find this fascinating when they come into my house, and they also